Welcome to Journey to the Moon, where blockchain is a small step for man, a giant leap for mankind. Today is midnight, July 16th, 2017. The market cap continues on a downtrend as we are now flirting with $70 billion. Continuing from my last video where I said Bitcoin to go under $2,000, the daily price on Bitstamp definitely shows that as we are now at 1986, reaching a low of 1969, 1965, breaking the support line of 2046, 2040 with a big red candle, and we're currently at this support line here with this small little green candle 1980. But other than that, I really don't see this green candle holding much longer, as I do expect this support line to be broken, bringing us down to 1800, possibly 1700 in the future. Again, if you look at the moving averages, there's the cross here. Even the weekly chart, there's the three dojis at $2,500 and the big red candle. I did talk about this, so I do feel better about taking profits like I did at the beginning of the month, as the market cap just continues to melt away. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you're probably hodling. You probably bought in at a cheaper price. If you're new to crypto, for the most part, I would say, just to wait, as I do expect the price to continue to going down on this bearish market, this bearish trend. And if you already have Bitcoin, you got to make sure you have your private keys and you're taking care of your coins with this SegWit2x UASF FUD. I mean, there could be a short here, but I'm out of BTC right now, so I'm not trying to short it, but I definitely see it coming down more. Moving on to Ethereum, the weekly chart. Definitely some big red. Moving on to the daily Ethereum chart, you can see the downtrend here, a little sharper pullback. It's currently at 161, 160 with a support line of 155, 152. I definitely see it hitting the support line, and if it continues the way it's going, it's probably going to break the support line, come down to like 120. But overall, Ethereum is not looking good, as I do expect it to hit the 150 mark. Litecoin maintains bullish in the weekly chart. Even on the daily chart, it closes on a green candle, which is very nice in comparison to the rest of the crypto space. We'll see if it continues to hold off as the days move on. But speaking of SegWit2x and the user activated soft fork FUD, GDAX plans to suspend Bitcoin withdrawals if UASF activates. If SegWit2x doesn't get enough support by August 1st and BIT148 takes hold without enough of the Bitcoin ecosystem of its particular transaction chain, Bitcoin could split in two competing assets. It's a prospect that led GDAX, which is operated by startup Coinbase, to announce last night that in the event the user activated soft fork happens, it will temporarily halt deposits and withdrawals and could take further action. Once again, guys, just another reason not to leave your coins on the exchange. But speaking of Coinbase, Coinbase lets users pay 100 times the normal Bitcoin withdrawal fee. The bigger question is whether or not Coinbase is even aware of the problem. Not too long ago, Coinbase changes their terms of service. More specifically, they now let customers pay for money they withdraw. However, charging these customers exorbitant Bitcoin fees is not the end goal here. For some reason, users are paying 100 times the normal network fee right now. That means Coinbase customers are losing money every time they move money off the platform. Here's a tweet by Jameson. It is unclear if this is a move to ensure people keep their funds in the exchange. We do know Coinbase users can't change the transaction fee themselves. This means it is up to Coinbase to address these problems sooner rather than later. There is absolutely no reason to charge such high fees. All of the money is being paid out to the miners for no good reason. Doesn't look good for Coinbase. Another reason not to keep your coins on the exchange. But where else are you going to put them? Trezor allows Bitcoin Bit148 user activated soft fork wallets. So when you go to Trezor, you can choose to support the activated soft fork by the tab below. But then it's got me thinking about, okay, if Trezor allows that, what about other coins? What about other, wallets? So one of my favorite wallets, Exodus wallets. Scroll down here. I was trying to see, does it support Bit148 and the soft fork? Ultimately, it's a light wallet. Here are some dates to look at. But as Exodus says it themselves, it depends on the information of Shapeshift, BlockCypher, BitPay Insight. Exodus is dependent on their decisions. So July 21st, the SegWit 2x signaling, the 2x lock-in on the 29th, and the Bit148 August 1st. So they are depending on other parties here to see what they will be doing. But for the most part, it's better to, for this particular instance, it's better to have Bitcoin on a Trezor. CoinMe now officially supports UASF. This is an older tweet. It's actually months ago, but CoinMe says that they will support UASF. So just interesting to see how they're handling the situation and other wallets are handling the situation. But at the end of the day, guys, you want to control your private keys. Don't leave your coins on the exchange. The market is still in a downtrend. Sadly, I don't think we reached the bottom. I've been saying that for the past 2-3 days. So this only makes me feel better that I took profits, and I don't feel as crazy as I did 2 weeks ago when I took some profits. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Are you buying, you selling, you holding, you shorting? And until then, I'll see you on the moon.